Welcome everybody. Then today let's talk about Sundial and where the price will go, like the projection of price for this week and the rejection that happened yesterday. This is really important, testing this price, and if we have the breakout for this will change everything for Sundial. So stay tuned. Before we go in the video, as always, Trading Jesus told you guys to be patient and hunt for exact right price value. So bless the like button and join the Patreon. Comment description below if you want caution one-on-one, if you want as well to know the exact price value when you join the Discord channel, so we can be updated pre-market, after market, and during market, and always price and the way, so you never actually miss any opportunity and hunt for exact price value. So without further ado, guys, let's get right to the video. And we see here, guys, hopefully you saw the video that we did last time for Sundial, because we talked about this price level that we hit here precisely, and I told you guys the price gonna see a major resistance area around the 0.78 0.79, and here we accumulate and we test so many times. Look with me, guys, like almost 6 hours up. We tested like for 1 day, the 18th of May, we tested for whole day this price level, and we never got over it. And as I told you guys, here we saw the rejection, we bounced precisely at our level. I told you we need to bounce from at the 0.72 here, and we closed at the 0.72 yesterday. Now the pre-market at 0.73. So this is how the market maker do. They try to see if the price right at the moment, so they test it, and it's like we saw a rejection, big rejection area around this area, and we couldn't actually go up because there's a lot of selling pressure happening, and the volume, as you see here, our SMI indicator getting lower and going toward the zero, and this is an indication of the volume being dropping, and that's why we gapped yesterday at the 19th of May when we went to 0.72. So the question is, like, everybody asked me in the comment section below, like, what we should do, like what's the price which will go, are we going to see the price go even to lower? So it depends, guys. Now the most important thing, we hold this level around the 0.72 for this week. At least we hold up above this level, because if we just went to 0.71, guys, this is a big indication that we're gonna see even test for the 0.66, as we said before, that we're gonna test the 0.66 before we saw the big buying pressure. We're gonna test it again, guys. If we just never respected this support kind of level here around the 0.72, we're gonna see this 0.66 again, and this time is the volume is dropping again. This way might we see a test again for lower prices, and we're gonna talk about those lower prices, like around the 0.60 will be a bit of hold up for the prices. Hopefully we're gonna see a big buying pressure around the 0.60 again if we dipped from the 0.66, because now we see the price holding up is good. Again, what's the things we should look for? Again, need a test for this level for this week again for the 78, and if we go deeper in this chart and go investigate why the price got rejected, the moment we try to test again, we got a big massive rejection from our exponential average, and here we saw the price being rejected. So by today we're gonna test again the 0.75, really important level, if we don't want to go below the 0.72. So the price is really concise, really a small area of tests here. This is really important. Either we go to test by today the 0.75, if we test it and we go above it, we're gonna see the 0.78, and this is really good incentive for the next week by trying to go over the 0.78 and go to at least to test the 0.92 on over the $1 soon, if we overcome this level, guys. And if we do this movement, we're gonna see at least the almost the $1 for this month for Sundial. This is a turning point, because if we didn't do that and we never test first this level again by today, the 0.75, and we test this when we explode by the next week above the 0.79, we're gonna see the price going gravitate back at 0.72, and we're gonna see the 66, as I said in the previous video. So always have all the the possibility that something will go wrong, so you can predict and you put a contingency plan underway, so you never go all in any strategy unless you have the contradict strategy against it. So never be biased and say, okay, the price will go up and so will buy, and you never think about the price will go down and you. So everything could happen, guys. News could happen, things could happen in the market. We can control like the things like the news, and for the company there's a lot of factors coming in play, and we can focus on it. We can't control it. So here at my channel, try to focus and control, handle the things that we control, which is our strategy and our chart that in front of us. That's what we can control. The rest we can't. It's like try to control something you can control. This is a sign of you make yourself stressful, and this is really not good way to build any strategy on. Even if you take it in your real life, if you it's not even about trading, if you just try to control how people behave towards you, like you be miserable all your life, because you can't control people, what you do. You can change people. You might change them by nice word, trying to change their behavior, but if they don't want to change, they will never change. This is the same as a stock market. You can't change the company to go up or to be profitable, or this is outside your control area. So focus on the things that you control. Is your DD, is your strategy plan. This is the kind of stuff, guys. That's what I'm trying to do here at my channel. Try to give you the unbiased information and go you straight to the information, and try to build you a good strategy to at least survive in this kind of the hardest thing you actually have to try, because it look easy but it's really hard, because it depends first about your psychology and your emotion. Is so at least 90% of chance of any good strategy is the emotion part, if you from your part. If not, if any good strategy will go bad, and even a good profitable strategy, someone will try it with a bad psychology and a bad emotional behavior. Even the good strategy will go will turn a loser strategy if the person never controlled their emotion. So this is really a good point to note out. And without further ado, guys, hopefully see you in the next video, and bless the like button as I always told you, and let's hunt for the right price value for Sundial. See you guys in the next video.